getting this one with a total of 98 points.
And fans requesting for an encore mula dito kay Kelly Williams. Atin mo naman.
Alright, here's Kelly Williams. Once again, we'll try to entertain this crowd and us, of course. Here he goes. Oh, the hell. One more. You can take as many readups this time. Come on, Kelly.
But you can't finish on a miss, that's for sure.
That's right. One take off from the free throw line. Alright. Okay, Kelly Williams, our new slam dunk champion. 2008 start.
You can imagine KG will be forced next year to come out and join this dunk contest.
I can't wait for that to happen, Coach. Watching KG Canaleta and Kelly Williams. Pwede nga natin gawin, one-on-one na lang eh. It's a dunk off. Kelly Williams is our big roller slam dunk king in Bacolod City.
Ito yung mga...
Alright, everybody chanting the name of KG. That's not
They don't want to wait till next year.
Alright. Binibigyan nila si KG ng bola. Ito naman si KG does not need any warm-up. KG actually, kahit bagong gising to, pagka bangon pa lang dyan sa kama niya, kaya lang dumagit to. Ito na, he will give it to the request. KG Canaleta, a preview of what we can expect next year.
At ito, masakit pa tuhod nito, ha?
Yan na nga, tingnan natin ha. Isang matindi lang for KG Canaleta. Here he goes. Oh, ayan, nag-miss lang. Masakit niya kasi tuhod eh. Arita. One more time for KG Canaleta. Pero maganda talaga yun eh, yung finish lang. At di talaga siya tanan-tanan. Pero mga players dito. One more time for KG. Oh, okay. That's good. That's a preview of what you can expect next year. There you have it. Kelly Williams applauding KG Canaleta. And what a competition we can expect next year.